So guys, if you haven't heard of the new social media platform called Parler, you're missing out. This is an amazing opportunity for your business to establish yourself on this platform because anytime a new social platform comes out, they're going to have lots of bugs and they're going to go through a lot of growing pains, and they're going to have less restrictions as far as your growth because they want you to be able to gain a lot of followers and likes so that you use the platform. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough, and I'm going to show you my account, and I'm going to show you how many followers I was able to get in about 3 hours. So let me log in and let's take a look. Okay, so let me begin by saying that it doesn't matter whether you are a Democrat or a Republican or any of your politics, okay? Okay, so I want you to put your politics aside. Don't worry about Trump, Biden, whatever. I want you to look at this as an opportunity for your business or for your brand or even to become an influencer on a new platform because it's an amazing opportunity. So let's go through it. So put the politics aside and let's look at the platform. So here I've set up a page for link in bio, and you've seen a lot of my videos on how you can get your own URL. So it's just like any other platform, maybe more similar to Twitter. And basically you have followers, followings, and comments, and then they do display votes. So I want to show you what the difference is, and this would be a profile, and the cool thing is you could put a URL in your bio, which is great. So if you're using link in bio, you put your URL there, and you can drive your followers to your website, so or to your other social media platforms. And of course, there's suggested hashtags. So that's kind of how you would navigate, or you can use the search, of course. So let's just click on hashtag Parler, and we're going to see all of the posts that use this hashtag. And one of the big differences in this platform is you can click the upvote. Now, an upvote right here is basically very similar to a like. So if you upvote something, it's saying that you like it. It's just like the Instagram likes. Now, another cool feature is you can echo, and that's this middle icon right here. Now, what that allows you to do is it'll take this post and it'll post it onto your timeline. So now all of your followers will see this post. So it's a great way to amplify your post. So if you create a viral post and people echo it, it'll spread throughout the system and you'll get more and more likes and views and followers. And then naturally you can click the comment icon, which is here, and you can add your reply. So that's pretty cool. Now, one of the other cool features which is allowing people to grow very fast on this platform, because if you take a look at my page, I have 427 followers. So I joined back in June, but I didn't really do anything with this until yesterday, to be honest. I spent about 3 hours and I was able to get 427 followers. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly the strategy I use. But what I want to do is I want to show you what's unique about this platform and how it's allowing people to grow so fast. So let me show you one thing. Okay, guys, so I have I'm on my iPad, so I want to show you something. So now I'm logged in on the iPad into the app. So let me show you. If you go down to notifications here, and it's at the bottom, right there, and if you at the very top, you can sort your notifications by different actions. So take a look at this. So if you go to votes, okay, I'm going to click on votes. This is showing me everybody who has upvoted on my post. And it says at the very top here that this person upvoted, and I'm going to put my cursor on it. This person here upvoted, and notice the follow link. So now every time I get a notification of somebody upvoting me, I have the option to follow them. Now let's click on echo. Anytime somebody echoes your post, so if I were to post something and people wanted to share it or echo it onto their page, I get notified and there is a follow button. So that's key to growing, and it's an awesome feature that Instagram doesn't have anymore, TikTok doesn't have. So this is a great way to grow your account, and this is how it works. If you were to upvote someone else's comment or upvote their post, it's going to send a notification to that user and give them the opportunity or the option to follow you. So that is very awesome, and that's what's making this platform grow so quickly, is because people are gaining followers at an incredible rate. So put the politics aside. I would suggest you get your account and sign up, because these options may or may not be possible in the future. So take advantage of it. This is your opportunity to grow your account extremely fast before they lock it down and they start meddling with it like they did with Instagram. So that's the basics of Parler. I'm going to go into some growth strategies. So I've figured out how to grow these accounts really quickly, and I'm going to show you in the next video. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and I'll see you guys later.